Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming backups and app version so nothing is lost. Open WhatsApp and go straight to settings. You need access to account and chats options. Once done, make sure you're signed into the correct phone number and that app sync is complete. This avoids accidental data loss when toggling features. Next, navigate to the new AI or search entry in settings. Some regions show AI, while others label it search. Tap it to reveal controls you will change in the next step. You now disable the AI search capabilities across levels. First, switch off the global AI or search toggle. This cuts the main service. Next, inspect chat level settings and turn off smart replies and message analysis so the AI stops scanning conversations. Then remove or revoke any permissions that let AI access media, microphone, or contacts. This prevents background indexing. Once those are toggled, restart WhatsApp to ensure settings apply. Make sure to check plugin or integration lists and disable any third-party search add-ons. You finish by restarting the app and phone so changes stick. After reboot, verify that AI search, suggestions, and related UI elements are gone from chats and settings. If some features persist, clear WhatsApp cache, then force stop and reopen. If required, reinstall the app after backing up again. If the AI returns after an update, make sure to toggle settings immediately and contact WhatsApp support. One key troubleshooting tip: a cached update can
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.